What's good, people? It's Monday and we are in the trade. Yeah, let's just see how it's gonna end up because Friday we lost. So basically, what do we have here? A quick analysis, which is high, lower highs, and the trend kind of goes down. Right here, yeah, the price action kind of start consolidate a little bit, and right now moves up. Moves up where? To this zone, yeah. The price action from here pulled back a little bit. Here I took a buy only because I wasn't at the computer. Usually I'm entering at this zone, but this time when I got to the computer, it was right here, the price action. So I enter here. Anyway, guys, the point of all of this strategy, yeah, is very simple. Right now I'm looking to take this high, yeah. But the way how you can see right now, we basically are running into a downtrend, and I don't know, man. This kind of candle, it drives me mad because we kind of had like big push up, now big push down, and look those two candles, the way how they close, very powerful. That indicates me that most likely the price action we're gonna go and hit my stop loss. It is what it is. It's nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna wait for the results. Either I'm taking the take profit, either I'm getting stopped out. That's simple. That's how trading is, and that's how it should be. So obviously, if you like this video, make sure you're gonna like it, hit the subscribe, do whatever you want. But at the end, just make sure you're gonna stay to the end, and you will see the results. Stay tuned. So we are back with the update, guys. Unfortunately, this was an L, so it happens. That's fine. We kind of had a small drawdown, and then I saw this beautiful pullback. This beautiful push up. I thought it's gonna make it happen to have enough power to push that to our target, but unfortunately, it just turned around and just moved down like very strongly and hit our stop loss. What can I say on this one? It's just a normal day, normal L. This stuff, it happens and will happen a lot of times. The only thing what you have to do is just to stay patient and let it go. You just hit an L and that's totally fine. That's trading. The only thing what else you can do is just to wait for the next setup to represent itself and just to take it. If it's gonna be again an L, just make sure you're gonna take an L as a man. As a professional trader, don't panic. Everything is good. What will happen when you're gonna get like 2, 3 days, 4 days in a row? You will get the winning streak. Sometimes it's a losing streak, but that's how trading works. And wherever people will gonna tell you, think about it like nothing is perfect. Even the market is not perfect. So just make sure you're gonna like this video and see you on my next one as usual. Stay patient, guy, and keep to your strategy. Peace.